fun.
I don't like this game. Dad, I don't like that game.
I like that game.
I know. I make fun. No one will play with me. Oh, so. I don't like playing this game. I want to open Rudolph.
Is it a dinosaur?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hope I get a puppy. Oh, Rudolph. I love it. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. You want to show me? Show me Rudolph. Oops, I have to turn the camera on.
I like Rudolph. And Daddy.
Ryder, find more presents in your stocking.
Mom, oh, that is so for Ryder. Wow.
Janie.
Oh.
There's another stocking stuffer on the ground.
Oh.
Let's go.
Wow. Wow, Mom.
That green one. Chad, will you show her that present?
Thanks. I hope I get something else. Oh, my.
They're fuzzy socks.
Thanks.
Just like mine.
Thanks. Mommy, I opened this. I opened this one.
Yep, that's from Grandma.
Good. I hope I get the dinosaur because I saw her wrapping a dinosaur. I hope I get a claw.
Ooh.
Oh, it's a princess tea set.
I don't have a chicken.
It's okay. Still pretend on the
chicken?
table. Kitchen. Here, can you bring me the table or the wrapping paper?
This?
Yep.
Ooh, Ryder got a microphone too?
Yeah.
How fun.
We saw it at the store all the time.
The
And
table between
we
us
played
over
with it.
Yeah,
I
sing.
can't hold it.
Singing it, Ryder. Go, ah. Sing in there. Sing. Like this.
Like this.
Ryder. Hello.
Ryder.
It's too early.
Too early. He needs coffee.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, Ryder. Dada, you do this. Watch. It makes this. And you turn the light on and it makes noise. See? Da, 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 da.
That's good.
Janie, could you bring me that Spider-Man mug?
Yeah!
Swedish fish.
I like fish.
Janie, can you bring me that Spider-Man mug?
You need this?
Yeah.
Is
We
this
don't.
for Ryder?
Yeah, we don't want it to break.
Wow.
Thanks.
Hey, Janie, Ryder, look at my camera. Janie, look at. Look at Ryder. Smile. Ryder, up here. Look at.
Hey, Ryder, this one's for you. You can open it. Oh. I opened this one.
Nope, that's for Ryder. Janie, your presents are over there.
Okay. Thanks, Mommy. I want this. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Thanks, Mommy, for Buzz
A big
Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear.
And this is my present. I will open this one here, Kissy. Maybe it's mine. This is mine.
Oh, okay. You guys can share it.
Look, I got a different dinosaur. Yeah. Look, Maya, I got the dinosaur. Thanks.
Ooh, you're welcome.
Ryder.
Thanks, Mama. I love this dinosaur. Yeah, mine is
Ryder, show me your buzz. Hold it up.
Hold it up and show mommy. Jenny, you want to show it to mama? Huh?
Oh! I'm supposed to have to get all this writing paper.
Okay.
Cool. Okay.
Mom, this is mine.
Well, it's for everybody. We can all share it.
Fish. I like
Janie, you
sweet
forgot to open your present over here.
Oh, I forgot.
Let's see who it's from. You have to read. It says, to Janie from Grandma and Papa.
Yeah, I want them. I miss them.
You miss Grandma and Papa?
Mommy, you have to get me tight off until I open it.
Oh, look at Ryder open.
Is that a horse?
A horse! I love horses. I don't mind it a horse. Because I want a horse for Christmas.
He's loving that one.
Oh my goodness! What
Yeah.
the deal?
What is it?
Giant sugar strawberry.
Ooh, it's a kitchen set for strawberry shortcake.
And who's this?
I think that's our friend.
That's raspberry torch.
Tart.
Torch. Torte. I don't know.
I know this song.
Another horse.
That's mine.
Janie, yours is up there. Look. The blue one.
To the horse. Why they got two horses?
One of them. No, two of them are yours, but he just opened it. It's okay.
I see it.
Open that one. Ryder, your presents are over here, babe. Ryder, look, your presents are over there.
Oh my goodness! I want it, yeah!
Janie, open your big present back there.
Good. Oh! It's so heavy! Mom, this is my spot, okay?
Here, Janie. Let's go sit over here by the couch.
So Daddy can video you.
I hope I get more pets.
That is the biggest horse.
Oh!
Ooh, what did you open, Ryder?
A shirt.
Yeah.
That's from
Yeah.
Grandma and Papa, that shirt.
Oh my goodness.
Is that a big horse?
Yeah, wait until that's ready. The money. Thanks, Mom. I wanted this. Thanks.
And then you have all the little horses to go with it.
Yeah.
All her babies. Hey,
Woody! It's Woody! Oh my goodness, Woody!
Oh, wow.
Yeah, Woody.
A big Woody.
Wow. Mom, this is really
Woody.
this is from Anna and Maddie. Jamie. From Anna and Maddie. And Jared.
I know that. Woody. What's this?
Ooh, it's jammies. Princess jammies. Pretty cool.
I want to watch this one.
What do you say?
Thanks, Mom.
That's from Anna and Maddie and Jared.
Oh, wow. More
Perfect.
animals.
More animals. For your
Now you
safari.
have so many.
That's pretty cool. What do you say?
Dinosaurs. Oh, Tap an elephant?
Yeah.
How fun.
Ouch. Look at
Ryder,
what
can
it
you
got
say thank
for
you?
me.
Say thank you.
Santa Claus.
Say thank you. Say it.
Mama, this is mine. Okay.
Go ahead.
Wow. I just wanted to take a picture.
It's just a video.
Wow.
Oh, I haven't even been taking pictures. Where's the camera?
A movie.
It's not a movie. Do you know what it is?
No.
It's a new Wii game.
It's a game that you can play.
How fun.
Are you teach me how to play it, Dad?
I will.
Let me see, Danny. Show me.
Hold it up for Mommy.
Show me so I can see. Smile.
Don't
I
block
can't
your...
see your face. Put the movie down. Put the video down.
Very good.
Cute. Okay, Ryder, you want to open that one?
I want to know.
Ryder, here. Let's see who that's from. Can you see? I think that's from Grandma and Papa.
A game?
A Toy
Another
Story game.
It's a Toy Story game.
Teach me how to play, Daddy.
We will.
I thought I'm going to be bad or woody or wet or alien or Jesse.
Ryder, do you need help? Janie, what do you say to the camera, to everybody?
Thank you, everyone.
You're welcome.
Is that a good Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
That last present's Ryder's.
I know.
Okay, we have to let him open it.
Wait a second. Batman? There. Batman?
Yeah, that's from Papa and Grandma.
Batman? Joker?
Whoa.
And who else?
It's Batman.
And who is this, Bobby?
That's Riddler.
Who's this?
That's Penguin.
Penguin. Penguin?
They're bad guys.
There's all penguin?
Yeah.
I know. I think Ryder don't want to open it.
No, let him open it, Jamie. That's his.
I know he just opened this one.
I know. It's because he's still looking at it. Ryder's just going slow.
Wait, here, you want to help me open this? Yeah. He needs help open these presents. Why you want to open it?
What is it? It's a fishing game. Do you remember that game, Chad?
Yeah. I do remember that game.
I thought that was a good one for him.
Hold it up, Janie. I want to see it.
A ball.
Gone fishing.
What's the fishing for?
It's in there.
When the fish opens, Daddy, you'll get a prize, huh?
Janie, how old are you?
Boy, I know how to do this.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas, Mama and Daddy.
Oh, Merry Christmas, baby.